Here's a special message for every retreat leader, coach, facilitator, and transformational entrepreneur who wants to run a profitable retreat but keeps struggling to fill the spots, or worse, fill them and still doesn't make money. Hi, my name is Lainey Cavazos, and if you want to succeed with hosting retreats that not only sell but actually pay you, then pay very close attention. Many retreat leaders suffer from the idea that if they can just fill all the spots, their retreat will be profitable. But nothing could be further from the truth. So if you're a purpose-driven entrepreneur who wants to lead powerful retreats and build a business that funds your life, this is exactly what you're looking for. I'd like to introduce you to the Sold Out Retreats Workshop. The one-day in-person business intensive that shows you how to build a profitable retreat empire without chasing clients, draining your energy, or relying on guesswork. The Sold Out Retreats Workshop also helps you design a retreat that profits even before you open registration, create a luxury-aligned marketing message that attracts premium clients effortlessly, use my signature transformation location system to choose the destinations that actually sell. Set smart, strategic pricing that ensures you make money, even if not every retreat is filled. Build a rinse and repeat system that removes the tech stress and gets you selling fast. And much, much more. And what makes this even better? Now, you never have to deal with posting nonstop, hoping someone signs up, or losing money on a fully booked retreat again. Which also means you're not stuck feeling like you have to rebuild your entire audience or hustle for every single launch. Which makes feeling like you're doing everything right but still not getting paid a thing of the past. And best of all, you'll start seeing results with the Sold Out Retreats Workshop by the time you leave the room, because we build your entire profit plan live in Las Vegas. So again, if you're a coach, retreat leader, or entrepreneur who wants to run retreats that create impact and consistent income, understand this. You need a system that's designed for profit, not just for popularity. Retreats are the highest leverage offer in your business when they're built strategically. You do not have to figure it out alone. We have already created the framework. You just need to plug in. And the Sold Out Retreats Workshops holds the key to your success with hosting profitable, transformational retreats that have clarity, confidence, and cash flow. Claim your seat today. Join us live in Las Vegas. Live with a business, not just an event. Your retreat deserves to be profitable. You deserve to get paid. Let's build your empire. Sign up now below.